Why buy new when you can have my like new 2022 Hyundai Sonata limited edition in pearl white, light gray leather interior, technology package, comfort package. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It automatically parks itself, guys. 1.6 turbo car. It's got all the ground effects around it. It's got remote start, blind spot monitoring, two-tone here, touch to lock. Look on the inside, heated seats, cooled seats. It's got a 10.5-inch Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 12-inch smart cluster, lane guidance, 12-speaker Bose stereo system. Look how new, guys. It's not even broke in. Automatic cruise control. It smells new on the inside. Guys, save thousands and buy my 2022. Look, pano roof. The whole top is glass. Hyundai Sonata right here at the Trading Post. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. It's no problem. We can get you approved. Check out my website to apply. TradingPostCars.com. 2022, no option left off. Hyundai Sonata, pearl white in color. Guys, this thing is awesome. Pedal shifters in the steering wheel. It's got everything and then some. Oh yeah, and pearl white in color. 828-464-0600. Trading Post, family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, awesome Hyundai Sonata limited edition here at the Trading Post. You're gonna love it here and you're gonna love this car. Call us today before it's gone.